Good morning guys, my name is Thương. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be talking about my experience on the first snow day in Michigan. When I wake up, it was white outside. Wow, there was a lot of snow. I ran outside and played in the snow. It was cold but I had fun. My husband, Cruz, he told me, "You look stupid." But he doesn't understand. For someone like him, who was born and raised here, snowing is normal. But for me, everything is new and exciting. Today, Cruz told me how to clear snow from a car. He showed me how to sprinkle salt on the stairs to melt the snow faster. The stairs won't freeze. This experience was new and exciting to me. I posted some pictures on my Facebook. My family and friends in Vietnam love them. They say they are jealous of me because I can see snow. Yeah, you see, there are many things that are normal to you, but to others, it is a new experience. There are many people who want to be like you. If you have been following me for a long time, you know that I used to live in Nagoya City, Japan. It is a city in central Japan. Every year, there are a few days of snow. I saw snow in Nagoya City, but I didn't have much time to play with snow because I had to go to work and it melted very quickly. When we left home in the afternoon, the snow had melted a lot. It was very safe for us to drive. This afternoon was pretty busy. We had to go to Costco and Home Depot to return stuff, then pick up stuff at Sam's Club, and finally do some grocery shopping at Target. Don't ask me why we didn't go to the first store and instead went to the fourth. Because we have a Target $50 coupon and it is about to expire. Once again, I want to say, the return service in the US is awesome. We bought winter clothes at Costco, home improvement items at Home Depot. Just bring the receipt and you can return it for a refund. Simple, fast, and convenient. I'm still amazed by it. Same with pickup. When we go to Sam's Club to pick up our items, just go to the correct pickup lot. Call or use the app to tell the staff what number you are. They will bring the items to you. It's awesome. I like America more and more. I'm very happy because I have many new and fun experiences. I want to say thank you to my husband because he chose a safe area to live. Always accompany me so that I feel safe here. Also, I want to say thank you to my fans. Thank you for always following and supporting me. Always sending me kind words in the comments. I am always grateful for that. Although a bit late, happy Thanksgiving to you and your family. See you in the next video. Bye!